Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like a table for four, please.
Of course. Follow me. Here is a table for four.
Thank you. Could you give us the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything to drink?
Just water for me.
I'll have a lemonade.
I'll have a milkshake.
I'll have an orange juice.
Great. I'll be right back.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I'll have the grilled chicken and a salad.
Would you like a starter, sir?
Yes, I'd like the calamari, please.
I'll have the vegetable soup for a starter, and then for the main course, I'll have the grilled fish, please.
I'll have the chicken soup and a lasagna.
I'll have the chicken soup, the grilled chicken and some salad.
Excellent. I'll be right back.
Wow, it smells so great.
I am so hungry and I want to eat. The soup is so hot, I can barely touch.
Wait for it to cool down before you eat it.
Grilled chicken tastes delicious, doesn't it, Paul?
Yes, Dad, it does, indeed.
What about your lasagna, Lisa?
I love it. It's my favorite dish.
How's your fish, Mum?
It's excellent. I'm so glad we came to this restaurant. Could you please pass me the salt, Paul?
Here you are, Mom.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was wonderful, thank you.
Would you like something for dessert?
Yes, for dessert, I'll have ice cream, please.
I'll have the chocolate cake.
I'll have ice cream.
I'll have the cheesecake, please. Everything looks great. Let's eat the desserts.
Dad, I'm thirsty. I would like to drink some water.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Could you bring my son a glass of water, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Can I bring you anything else?
No, thank you, just the bill.
Okay, sir. I'll be right back with the bill.